today's video, we're going to be doing the Nerf Talon range test. So I have a pretty basic guide, or a pretty basic tape measuring guide here. So half is over there, but I've already measured this half. This is 50 feet from where I'm standing and where the tripod is, all the way down to where the beginning of that tape measure begins, all the way down to that end is about 55 feet. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing leveled shots, and I'm going to only do so I'm going to do 3 leveled shots with this modified Nerf Talon I've done. They're going to be leveled. Let's give it a shot. Down. All right, first one. That didn't look pretty good. Just as a precaution, or as I guess an FYI, there's about a 3 or 4 mile per hour wind. Second one. Oh, it's about the same. Well, that didn't work. I'm going to grab a double one. When I get mad over a Nerf dart, I just chew it up. Third shot with the AccuStrike Mega. And Blammo. That was a little bit worse. Alternator over. Alright, so basically my calculations were wrong. This is a total of 50 feet, or 55 feet, but I measured it wrong. I think it was this dart first. This dart came about 28 feet with the Talon. And along with this one went a little bit further, or no, a little bit less. The one that went a little bit less, I think, was about 35 feet, and then the last one was 38 feet. So this Talon works for short range, but not for long range. Anyway, wrapping up for the Talon.